What up, YouTube? 89 Box Boy. A little update on the 89 Caprice. I was driving it the other day, and I was going to get, clean it up a little bit, vacuum the inside out, a little bit, and it was riding fine, Car wash ain't nothing but about 10 minutes from my crib, but it was riding fine, and all of a sudden, on my way back, after the engine was warmed up and everything, it started stalling and kind of bogging out on me a little bit. So I thought it was going to cut off on me while I was at the light. But I just had to kind of feather the throttle a little bit. It ain't cut off. First I thought it was, I was thinking to myself when I got it back and I parked at the crib, I thought it was a bad spark plug. So I'm checking the spark plugs, the wires. The wires look good. The spark plug wires look good. I mean, they all over here, but it's a little dusty. But as far as like the wires itself, I mean, I can't find no cracks or no burns or anything in the wires. But as I was looking today, I looked and I found this vacuum hose on that map sensor, the map sensor right there. I found the vacuum hose to the map sensor, and right above where it goes into the carburetor, it got this crack on there. This big ass, this hole right here was on the was right there on that. Now I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been looking up on these 305 Caprices. I mean 305 Chevy motors, small blocks. I've been looking it up and figuring out why it's been bogging down. Like when it's warmed up, why it's been bogging and, stalling a little bit after it get a certain temperature and warm up. And a lot of people, a lot of videos was pointing to the map sensor. Now, I don't know if the map sensor bad or not, but first I'm gonna start with the little things. Like one guy I was watching said, check for vacuum leaks first before you just start throwing parts at it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna check for that. I'm gonna clamp that, check the rest of that vacuum line, make sure the top of it is good. Since the part going to the carburetor was bad, I'm gonna make sure the top of it is good, and we're gonna see if that works.